I received a question about the Amtech folding boot cart, stock code S5650. The question was basically, how do you assemble it? It comes flat packed, so it's very convenient to store in the boot of the car or behind the seats. Basically, you've got a clip this side, clip that side. It opens up like that, concertinas, and here by my left hand you can see a hinged flap. You push that down inside the cart to form a base, and then there's two plastic strips in the bottom. You pick those out, and these go one each side, clip it on like that, and the handle has a release lever which you push out. Out it comes, it's telescoped up, and it's ready to carry your books, PC, laptop, shopping or whatever. I hope that was of assistance. If not, please go to amtechdiy.com, and I look forward to answering any other questions.